how to turn off videos you might like notifications on TikTok. Today guys, I will show you and teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First you will just go to TikTok, then open it. Then when your TikTok is opening, you will just go down, open your profile here. Then when you open your profile, go to this three line at the top of the screen, then go to settings and privacy, and then go to notifications, and then you will go down to videos you might know in video suggestion, and then turn off this option by clicking here on this place and make it look like this. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.